myself Himanshu Yadav from J3 Academy. Today I am presenting to teach you class 10 subject math topic polynomials. So student, first of all, what is polynomial? A polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients that involves only the operations. Means your operations would be only addition, subtraction and multiplication, and non-negative integer exponents of variable. Just like student example, like 5x plus 4. Student operation is addition, comma 5x minus 8. Just like operation is subtraction, 5x square. Student, this we can write as this type, 5x multiply x. So student, multiplication. And non-negative integer exponent of variables. And it means student, your power should be non-negative, means your power should be positive. Yeah. Suppose student, if we write this 5x की power minus 2. So student, this is not a polynomial. Reason? Because power is not a positive, power is negative. Because according to definition, your power should be non-negative. Clear student? Now next, types of polynomial. Now student, based on number of terms. So first of all student, monomials, secondary binomials, or third trinomials, and last one is polynomials. So student, monomials means only one term. Means a polynomial has only one term is called monomials. Means you can write as only one terms. Just like student example, x, comma 5x. Now student, binomial means power. Oh sorry, means a polynomial has two terms. Just like student, x plus 4 and 5x plus 4 or x plus 6, that's it is. Trinomial student means three terms. A polynomial has three terms. Just like student, x square plus 4x plus 8 or x plus x square plus 3 dot student. And polynomial means many terms. Means you can say student more than three terms. Just like x plus x square plus x cube plus 8 or x cube plus 4x square plus x plus 7, just like that. Now student, types of polynomial based on degree. So student, constant polynomial means a polynomial has 0 degree. It's called constant polynomial. Means, for example, student, 0 degree. Just like student, if we write as 5. So this number student we can write as this type, 5x की power 0. Because student, we know 0 of any variable is called value is 1. So student, 5 into 1, that is 5. Clear? Now student, second, linear polynomial. So a polynomial has only 1 degree. 1 degree. It's like student, 5x, comma x plus 4. Here you can see student, you have to check degree only in variable. Just like student, here this is variable and that is variable, but student, this is non-variable, or you can say this is a constant term. Next student, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means student, a polynomial has 2 degree. Just like student, 5x square, x square plus 4x, means you have to check power 2. Cubic polynomial means student, cubic means 3 degree. Just like student example, 5x cube, x cube plus 4x plus 8, or there are a lot of examples. Okay, thanks.